Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you on what to do with your used engine oil when you do your own engine oil DIY maintenance. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, some of you ask me, hey EJ, what do I do with the used engine oil? Look at this, it is really dirty and you don't want to dump it in your ditch, okay, or your trash can. You have to take this oil into a recycling center in your city. What do? This is, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So what you wanna do, don't throw away your used oil, container. You want to use this and bring it to the recycling center. So get a funnel and I really love this drain plug. The cool thing about this oil drain plug, look, it has a pouring vessel right here. So where you can just use to pour the old oil into the container and then you can bring the container to the recycling center. Yeah, never throw away your old oil container. And then you can see it, how full it is from the side. Go to the side, Brandon, where the measurement is. Do you see that? And you can see it if it's full. There you go, it's getting full. Oh no, oh there you go. A little bit more, little bit more. There you go, that's it. So, and then you want to get another one. See, with the Jaguar, there are a lot of oil, so you may need like 2 containers. The thing is, I still have some good oil right here, so I'm gonna use another empty one that is not being used, like this one. I always keep empty oil container at home because you don't want to throw this away. You really want to keep this because you need this when you need to take your oil to the recycling center. So yeah, actually I need a little bit smaller funnel for this one. I'll be back. See, so I'm gonna get a small funnel and then we're gonna go ahead and pour it. Look how dirty it is. Oop, I forgot to open it. Yeah, then we pour it. There you go. Whoa, with the smaller funnel you have to be careful because the flow is not as fast as the big one. This is why you have to save your empty oil container. The thing is, you're gonna be using it to take your dirty engine oil to the recycling center. Sometimes they only charge you $4 to $5. It's really cheap. You just give it to them and they'll do the rest of the recycling. Yeah, you can't throw this thing and destroy the environment. There you go. Just a quick video. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I haven't done this video, right? Now I'm doing a quick video to teach you guys because some of you ask me, EJ, what do I do with my dirty engine oil? Well, this is what you do. Just pour it into your empty old oil container. There you go. And make sure you get this type of oil drain bucket so it will make your life easier when it's time to put the used engine oil to the empty engine, what do you call it, oil container. So anyway, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up and click the applause button. Give us a tip or something. So anyway guys, love you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye.